Good morning. Okay, so while I do my makeup, let me tell you that I'm actually so late. I usually leave at 8:30 in the morning or a bit before that, but I woke up at 8:30 today. So I know that I will be so late, but it's okay. Today's professor is not that strict, to be really honest. But today I have photography class. I need to take my camera, which is exactly not my camera. My friend is lending to me the camera because I don't have a camera, and to buy a camera it's literally so expensive. But yeah, today I'm trying to plan my day as I do my makeup, and basically I'm thinking about being so productive today, and also thinking about going to a coffee shop or something to finish some homework, like design homework, and also update my portfolio. Because I've been sending the link for my portfolio to clients and it's not even updated. I do also have to update that. So maybe if I go to like a coffee shop or something, I might be a bit more productive than I usually am. Yeah, I'm thinking of doing that. And also I have to record a video today, because if you don't know, I'm doing this 30 videos in 30 days challenge. So this is one of the videos that I will be uploading on my challenge. But I do have to do it fast. I know I'm already late. So what if I'm a bit more late than I'm already are? Last step. Then I have to do my bag and leave straight to college. I don't really have time to have breakfast, so probably I'll be getting something to eat. Probably I'll see what to do, because I'm not even that hungry, but I'll see. Let me show you my camera before I go. It's not like on the new side of the cameras. It's actually pretty old, but oh, it doesn't have a battery, my bad. But this is like the camera, and I take photos with this. I'm actually in love with photography right now. I thought I wouldn't like it, but I've been taking photos the last weeks in class and in the studio. Let me tell you, I think I'm going to buy a camera after this. I need to buy a camera actually to, record videos and for my content creation, but to take photos, that's another thing. But anyways, let's go. I am back from college, and today I thought I had studio class, but it was more of a theoretical class. A lot of notes taken, and almost fell asleep because I was too sleepy. But I just made myself some lunch, French toast with barbecue. Very easy, very fast, and very useful when you are too hungry and too lazy to cook something really elaborated. But anyways, I will eat lunch and then go walk my dog. And then afterwards, I do have two videos to record. So I think that's why I will not be able to go to a coffee shop to do my portfolio and my homework. That will be for tomorrow probably. I'll try to do it at home, and also have to edit a video and upload it. So yeah, today's going to be all about content creation and graphic design basically. But let's eat lunch. He's looking at me. and walk my dog. How do I explain this? It's currently 7:30 p.m. And let me tell you what happened. I planned actually to like sleep 1 hour, 1 hour and a half from 3:30 to 5, but that got to 6:30 and then I got up from bed like right now, 10 minutes ago. So basically I wasted my whole day just sleeping. I was literally so sleepy in the morning, like my eyes were closing, not gonna lie. So I did wanted to rest a bit, but that rest got too long and I didn't do anything productive today. So, so today we're going to be sleeping late. Luckily tomorrow I don't have class, so I can like wake up a bit late, but I'm going to sleep late and wake up early, hopefully, or probably pull an all-nighter because why not? But yeah, the plan is to record a video, edit it, and upload it because I haven't recorded the video I had to upload today, which is crazy because I don't really have time right now, but I do have to do it quickly. So yeah, I'm going to basically put on a bit of light makeup and get into recording, which is the finishing of the deep cleaning video. I will finish deep cleaning my room and then edit the video and upload it. Hopefully today at like maximum 11 p.m. because I really don't want to like be so late. Feel guilty, not gonna lie. Like I just wasted my whole day, but I did rest it a bit because last night I slept so little. That's why I probably feel so sleepy. But anyways, let's get into it quickly. I just finished recording the video and it's only 9:30, which is so nice because I have to edit it now and finish it before at least 12 a.m. I need to start editing right now. I didn't even had dinner because I'm not hungry. I don't know why. If I get hungry, I'll just cook something really quick. I did also in the middle go walk my dog because usually my brother does it at night, but since he isn't here, I have to do it. But yeah, let's start editing and upload it. Updates on how it's going my editing. It's currently 3 a.m. and my video is downloading. I still have to do the thumbnail, so I don't know at what time I'm going to sleep, but probably at 4 a.m. I'm just going to upload it and go straight to sleep because I'm so sleepy. Also, while like I was editing and all that, I just finished watching a movie. Not gonna lie, it has been so long since I cried this much because of a movie. Because I couldn't really find a movie that was that impactful. And let me tell you, this movie called Sayara, which was really trendy when it came out, I just couldn't watch it. And it just came out in Netflix. And wow, now I understand the hype. But I never cried that much since a long time, to be honest. But anyways, I'll just upload the video and go to sleep. So that's all for the video. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.